Hello, my name is Tirumala Rao. I am from Odisha, Berhampur, but I work in Kuwait. Um, Actually, in February 2023, I visited Apollo, and I met actually Dr. Badri Narayana, cardiologist, based on a reference from one of my relatives. Actually, I was having a bicuspid aortic valve, so I do regular checkups. And this time I came to Hyderabad, so I came to Apollo and consulted Dr. Badri. Then after my checkups, now I was advised surgery, that is aortic valve replacement. And then Dr. Badri referred me to Dr. Sanjay Agarwal, and then in March 2023, on March 24th, 2023, I did my surgery, aortic valve replacement, and it was carried out by Dr. Sanjay Agarwal and his team. Then next, after the surgery, another for 5 days, I believe I stayed in hospital. I am really very much satisfied the way my treatment went on actually. Starting with Dr. Badri, who first did my checkups, then referred to Dr. Sanjay, and then the surgery carried out, and the post-surgery cares all were actually wonderful. Then I did my after 3 months checkup. Then now I am here. Actually, I came now for my annual checkup. My experience is really wonderful with Apollo Hyderabad. You know, as I told, starting with Dr. Badri, Dr. Sanjay, and then all the staff, they were really very, very cooperative, and I'm really very much satisfied. I'm very happy, to be honest. I'm really very happy the way I was treated, and now I am feeling perfectly fine. To be honest, I'm very, very happy with Apollo Hyderabad, because this is the hospital I visited, Apollo Hyderabad only. So I'm really happy, satisfied. No, I recommend whoever is in need, they can visit Apollo Hyderabad. That is absolutely fine. Thank you.